Friends, I am just standing at Binod Bihari Mahato Koilanchal University in Dhanbad. And I have come all the way from New Delhi to get my documents verified. Is it not very awkward that candidates are called to reach the university physically to get the documents verified? The full story is that that some time back there were some posts for the guest faculties which was being advertised by this Dhanbad University, Binod Bihari Mahato Koilanchal Vishwavidyalaya Dhanbad, and applied there. Just see the irony. You have to apply online, then you have to send your all the documents, original documents, self-attested through post, and for guest faculty you have to give 1,000 rupees demand draft also, which is issued in favor of the registrar, which I did and I sent it. So I have also applied for several permanent jobs also. So nowhere I have ever come across that candidates, after duly applying online and then sending all the documents offline, duly attested, if all documents reach in time, then you get a call, and even you are not being sent any email or something. Some notification is there on the website and you get to know, or maybe some friends have informed you, and then one day you come here from Delhi, which is more than 1200 1300 kilometers. You come here, you spend 4,000-5,000 rupees coming and going there, more than that. And when we reached here in the morning around 9 o'clock, and the document verifications was scheduled at 10 o'clock. So at the gate we were not even allowed to enter it. Somebody who is coming all the way, he needs to go to bathroom or toilet, or he wants to get relaxed. But the guard said that you can only be allowed to reach here 10 to 15 minutes before the scheduled times. Friends, you will be surprised to know that at Dhanbad stations, I also found a girl who was also coming to this place, and I asked her for the help to reach this place. She also came along with me, and she is doing MA English Literature. She is from that Hazaribagh area, and when she was also there as a student, even she was not allowed. You just see it that outside the gate, if some student has arrived or some candidate has arrived, you are not allowed to go inside and sit properly. Girls who are forced to sit outside. I think the administration, the vice chancellor is also creating a lot of security problem for the girls also. So not to talk of girls, not to talk of teachers, even somebody who has come to appear for documents verification or interview, we are not allowed. So we just sat outside for 1 hour. Then our entry was made, and at the entry gate we have to show our Aadhaar card, we have to give all your details. Then when we reach another block where our documents were being verified, again we have to show your Aadhaar card. And when we sat, then somebody has come and somebody is giving us lectures for 1 hour. You do this thing, you do that thing. Aadhaar card is not required here, but we were being forced to give. And in the interview, before we go for the verification, we are being asked that where is your that net certificate. I showed net certificate in the hard copy, but I was asked that there is a link, you again download your net and also produce it. I said that since I have original Aadhaar, original net certificate, what is the requirement of downloading it? And I got it, this net certificate long back. and even my internet is not working, but I was being told that what if that I could be a fraud and I could be doing forgery. Then I said that anybody could be doing forgery. If a student can do forgery, a teacher can also do forgery, even a person working in administrative block, they can also do forgery, even the vice chancellor can do forgery. After that he started shouting at me and he said that I am just maintaining discipline, otherwise severe actions might have taken against you. Finally I felt humiliated. I left the hall, and without getting my documents verified, I came out from the university. And friends, here after asking some friends, I got to know that even teachers who are working here, they are not allowed to get out of the university from 10 to 4. There was also a protest there. So the question is that this university has been turned into a jail. When I reach here, students are not on the campus, there is so much surveillance, and it is a concrete building, and then the gate is locked, and even the security guard is standing at the gate, they are carrying gun. So this is the conditions of Indian academia. Just, I cannot have any words to say, and I think whatever the situations has deteriorated, everybody is responsible for that, because we have not spoken against it. We have only thought about our own career, and finally Indian academia has become dead, intellectually dead. It has been turned into a fort, a jail, where there is no space for free discussion, there is no respect for teacher, there is no respect for a student. I have shared my experience. I know that I am going to suffer it. Now it's your turn. You also contribute. Speak against this injustice. India cannot become Vishwaguru. This is the dream of ruling classes. It can never become Vishwaguru. It will, I don't know. I don't have any words. Our universities are becoming jail. And this is happening in an area which is dominated by the Adivasi community. And Adivasi community, their way of life is most wonderful, I should say. They believe in freedom, they believe in equality, they believe in human dignity. But here in this Dhanbad University, you see the situation. I again want to repeat the name of this university, Vinod Bihari Mahato Simanchal, Vinod Bihari Mahato Koilanchal Vishwavidyalaya. I have shared my own suffering. Now it's your part. Please speak up.